The scope of political science is vast and diverse, encompassing the study of politics at the local, national, and international levels. It includes the analysis of political systems, institutions, processes, and policies, as well as the study of political behavior, political ideologies, and political culture. Some of the major areas of focus in political science include political theory. The study of political theory involves examining the fundamental principles and concepts that underpin political systems, such as democracy, justice, and liberty. Comparative politics. The study of comparative politics involves analyzing the similarities and differences between political systems in different countries. International relations. The study of international relations involves examining the interactions between states and other actors in the global system, such as international organizations, non-governmental organizations, and multinational corporations. Public policy. The study of public policy involves analyzing the processes by which public policies are made and implemented, as well as the impact of these policies on society. Political methodology. The study of political methodology involves developing and using statistical and other research methods to analyze political phenomena. Political economy. The study of political economy involves examining the relationship between politics and economics, including the impact of economic policies on society and the role of economic factors in shaping political outcomes. Overall, the scope of political science is diverse and constantly evolving, as new political phenomena emerge and old ones evolve in response to changing social, economic, and political conditions. Thanks for watching.